seek, and where will you find? Life that's worth living, is it in our time? Or are we a people all so blind, searching for something we cannot find? What are you seeking, and what will you find? Thrills for the moment, a real peace of mind. Christ is the answer we now recommend. But what are you seeking, my friend?
I've got something I want you to know. I found a friend who loves me so, a God who loves all men, mighty and small. He's my Lord, He's my friend, He's my all.
When this world lets me down in every way, He's always by my side each and every day. He's there when I need Him, forever to stay. For He shows me the rich life today. Yes, there is something the world needs to know. There is more to life than just come and go. I've got to face on the great judgment day. So be sure that you choose the right way. What are you seeking, and what will you find? Thrills for the moment, or real peace of mind. Christ is the answer we now recommend. But what are you seeking, my friend? But what are you